Today, we are here to ask and answer one simple question. How do you set up a Ledger device using a Ledger recovery key? Let's find out. Once we power on our Ledger device with the power button on the side, it's going to give us a whole bunch of text. We're going to skip through that because it's eventually going to ask us how do we want to set up the device. It's going to give three options. It's going to say set up through mobile, set up through desktop, or set up without a Ledger wallet. That's the option we're going to pick. Then we are going to hit skip Ledger wallet, and we're going to name it later on. Next, it's going to ask us for a security pin. I am going to set up a security pin off screen. All right, now that we have that out of the way, it's going to say next, choose how we would like to set up our Ledger Nano. What we are going to do is pick this bottom option where it says restore using a secret recovery phrase or backup. And then what we're going to do is hit Ledger recovery key. Once we do that, it's going to say we need to know the pin for the key, which we already know that information. We are going to hit I understand. Then we are going to take the security key and place it on the back of the device. We're going to hit start restore, and now it's going to ask for that password. While I do that, I will be right back. One last thing I will mention is right up here is the ID to the Ledger key. If you're curious to how we got that code, it shows in the previous video on how we set the key up. So with that being said, we're going to hit enter, and now it is officially restoring the device. Access to your assets restored using Ledger recovery key. So now with all that being done, I officially have access to any crypto that was linked to that seed phrase. So now I can either link it to my computer or my phone and download those assets without having to type in the entire 24-word seed phrase. All right, guys. Hopefully you found this video nice and easy. If you are wondering again how we set this up, I have a video on that on the channel that will be linked in the comment section below or in the eye above. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.